Want to run DeepSeek in your own home? Here's how you do it. Using distributed homebrew clusters for AI. Researchers with Mohamed bin Zayed, University of AI in Abu Dhabi, and the University of Electronic Science and Technology in China in Chengdu have developed Prima.cpp, open source software to make it easy to run large language models on a motley crew of home devices. This is called distributed processing. What Prime.cpp is, and thank you to Jack at Import AI for this, who, by the way, is one of the co-founders of Anthropic. Prime.cpp is software that helps you take a large-scale language model like DeepSeek R1 or Llama 370B and then slice it up across a few home computers so you can run it faster than if it was running on just a single device. This is the future, I think, regardless. The software uses Device Profiler to look at the differing computation, memory, disk, communication, and OS properties of your various devices. Then uses an algorithm called Howda to figure out which layers of the model to assign to which devices for minimizing latency. Prima.cpp is built on top of Llama.cpp. The performance is promising. Evaluation on a real home cluster shows that Prima.cpp is 15 times faster than Llama.cpp on 70 billion parameter models, with memory pressure below 6% per device. This is no sweat for any of your individual devices to be running this. That's remarkable. It also surpasses distributed alternatives like XO and DLlama in both speed and memory efficiency across all 7 billion to 72 billion models, the researchers write. So this is, a little bit smaller than a lot of models, but not smaller than some of the major LLMs. In our experiments, a small, heterogeneous, and budget-friendly home cluster was used, and they specifically mention using 2 laptops, 1 desktop, and 1 phone. What models are supported? Prima.cpp supports the QN models, the new ones, the 32 billion and 72 billion. These are breakthrough models. Llama 370B and DeepSeek R170B. So why does this matter? Sovereign AI relies on home computing. AI tends towards centralization. Large proprietary models run on large software as a service systems and are made available via APIs or consumer surfaces. Decentralization requires a couple of distinct ingredients. Broadly available open-weight models like Llama and DeepSeek, and software to make it easy to run those models on the kinds of computers people might be expected to have at home, like laptops, gaming computers, not even a home server. Prima.cpp is one of the ways you can solve for the ability to run an LLM at home. So I'm going to expand on why this matters a little bit here. It matters because decentralized open source LLMs are a significant counterweight to the concentration of technology in a few firms. And you know the firms I'm talking about: Google, Microsoft, OpenAI, etc. here in the United States, plus the large tech firms in China. Another reason it matters is picture this. So now with these LLMs, they can code most things that you would ever want to use. So picture this. You get your home LLM up and running. Then you ask it to automate all parts of your home-based business. This is achievable now and stunning. Think about this. How about If email is central to your home-based business, whatever that is, it writes your string of emails for the week and automatically sends them out. You have to do nothing. It's fully automated. Same with your marketing, fully automated. Same with video creation using text to video. The opportunity to use this to make money at home is truly astounding. Really astounding. So this really is a big deal. And that's why I did this video, because on the surface, it sounds very technical and like it'd be hard to do, but it isn't. And it opens the door to full automation of your business as an entrepreneur or a solopreneur. Stunning. This is how you beat the system. So for those of you who don't want to work for another company, i.e. want to work for yourself, now the door is open not only to doing it, but doing it easily in a fully automated way using the technology I just talked about and the automation I just described. Mind-blowing stuff. Thanks so much. Also, please like, subscribe, and share this video and comment. That really helps us with the algorithm. We'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.